Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to explore some exciting new WhatsApp features that will elevate your messaging experience to a whole new level. Let's start a tutorial. Collaborate like never before. WhatsApp screen share feature enables you to share your screen during video calls. It's perfect for presentations, helping friends with tech issues, or virtual meetups. After taking the call, click the screen share button. Now I start screen sharing my mobile. Show presentations, share photos, or assist with tech support, all with a single tap. You can stop anytime you screen share. We've all been there, a typo in a crucial message. Fear not. WhatsApp now lets you edit sent messages. Tap, edit, and impress your contacts with your flawless texting skills. Remember, there is a 15-minute time limit for editing messages. Now I send one message by mistake, simply tap that message, then again send, the message will display edited message. Chat lock. The ultimate privacy protector. Keep your sensitive conversations under lock and key by securing individual chats with a fingerprint. Select profile icon. Then click chat lock. Lock this chat with fingerprint. Now if you want to see locked chat, simply scroll down the chat contacts, you will see chat lock button. Then, unlock the chat lock. Now, you can see your chat locked contacts. Say hello to short video messages. Record and send quick clips in seconds. Just tap on the audio icon, it will switch to video mode, then record the video, send instant video messages. Spam calls driving you crazy? Fret no more. Activate WhatsApp's Silence Unknown Calls feature to mute those pesky unknown numbers and enjoy peace and quiet. Select Settings. Select Privacy. Select Calls, then click on Silent Unknown Calls. If you like this video, please share to others they can benefit it. Thank you. Bye.